Okay, let me put this into a little bit of context before I get started. But I'm in BARRA. This is a new station that's connecting to the train line. And basically what we have up here is that's Peña Church. It's kind of a little mountainside that overlooks. You can see a casino over there. You can also see a steeple of Peña Church itself. Let me see. There's Peña Church steeple, and over there is Grand Lisboa. They're quite removed. One's up at the top of a mountain, and the other one is like structure way up. It goes way up. So that's kind of the reference. Those are parts of China over those tall buildings on that side, and we are gonna go down this elevator, and we're gonna go down, and I'm gonna drive up out of it, it's the longest spiral thing that I've ever seen, and I'm gonna show you how long it takes to get up it. It's like kind of crazy. I'll explain it a lot more in a minute. And just to give you a little bit more context, this BARRA, there's a station that's underneath this, and it's brand newly built, and it's gonna the train line is gonna go over that bridge over there. I don't know if you can see that very well, and but it's right over there. And just also give you a little bit of context as well. So basically we're gonna come out here where this car is at, and we're gonna be going like spiraling, and there's Macau Tower as well, and that's Peña Church is up there in that mountain. It's a really good view of it. And over there is the inner harbor as well, just to give you a little context. Okay, so now that car is going to go into this little spiral, and we're going to show you what it's like to come out. It takes a long time. We're going to time it, actually. It's so crazy. Okay, so that's going to be our video now. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Also, there's a bus station right here too. Could take the bus. We're going to be taking the elevator in a second, but I just want to give you the full context, so I might as well do it properly by taking this elevator, and then I'll take the elevator all the way down to the parking lot, and then you'll see how crazy it is. So that's across the square, Alma Temple, that's over there. And we're going to go towards the bus terminals, and then we're going to take the elevator down. Are the bus terminals really right here? If so, they're like... Oh, no. Bus terminals are down. So, but actually the cars are parked way down there. So I'll just show you where the buses are at real quick, and then we're going to take the elevator down. So the buses are right here. They're almost at ground level. So that's basically at ground level. So all the buses come in here, and they'll drop people off. And we'll just walk out here quickly. So yeah, the buses just come in here, drop people off here. There's several stations here, and then they go back out again. And now our goal is to go to the elevator. Let me just kind of show you this real quick. So this has all the buses coming in right here, and where they go. So we can check this out real quick, and I guess we can actually touch it probably. Oh yeah, you can touch it, and you can see where the bus is at right now. So this bus is isn't even going. I think it's oh, some of these just go to 3. So now you can see the 3 buses there. There's a bus there. There's a bus there. It's also on our apps too, so we can see, and you can also switch it to English as well, or Portuguese, and then you can see the same thing. We'll do 3x, so you can see it's departing soon. So that means that it's right. Barrier gate would be up the top, so that'll be way up at the top of Macau. And then if we look down here, we'll be somewhere down here. We're in there somewhere. Anyways, it's not that important. But that is, oh, this might be all the buses everywhere in the city. So it might not have the one that stops at this space. I think that's the same as the, so it just has all of them. So the buses that are coming here, there's no 3A. There's some different buses that come here. And then it tells us where they go. So if you live here, you'll kind of know exactly where these are at, of course. So if you're a tourist, it'll be a nightmare. It's in Chinese and Portuguese. And on top of that, nobody knows the English one. And we're gonna go down the elevator. That's Alma Temple. That's kind of cool. So we're gonna go down the elevator and then we're gonna come up on that big spiral and we're just gonna see how long that takes. Should be interesting. Oh, that's funny. So they also show the park in a pictorial way. Okay.
Going down.
We just came out of the elevator and then we're gonna go out to this parking garage and then we're gonna do the spiral all the way up. Is it this way? This way? We'll see. Okay, so we are going to go up to this big spiral thing and you're just going to see how crazy this is. So right now we're getting started and it says number 6 right here, right? And so this is the craziest spiral that I've ever seen. And I'm going to time it and we'll see how long it takes to get to the top. You see those numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then that thing says 15.56. I have no idea why they have it like that. Originally I was thinking there would be 6 floors that you could park your car, and there's nothing like that. Instead you're just going up and up and up. And when you come down here, there's like 4, 5, 6 comes kind of quickly, but 1 takes forever. And as you can guess, as you can see, there's no exit ramp. So when you're on it, you're just on it. So let me see. I've been on it for about a minute. A minute is not too bad, but we got a long ways to go still. So we'll just see. But yeah, there's the numbers right there, 423. I don't know what the 423s mean. And actually, to be honest, like, yeah, psychologically it feels better when you're going up. Because when I was coming down, like the 1s and 2s last forever. So now we're already at 1. So that kind of psychologically makes me feel good about it. I'm going at a decent speed. I'm about 15 kilometers an hour. Oh, okay, that's not too bad. When I was coming down, it was my first time and I was like, God dang. Okay. So they don't have it automated. Everywhere in Macau has it automated, so we're gonna have to pay it at one of these places, is boxes. So I guess we have to, so that's where you're gonna pay, I guess. I wonder if I can, I guess nobody's here. So you can pay with these ones. And so yeah, I went all the way to the top and then it's not automated, so I can't pay there. I have to go to a box, which is kind of a really old system. And nobody's near the box. So I don't know how you pay. Yeah, it's so archaic, right? So it's like they have this brand new thing, they don't have that automated. So you have to find a person here who can let you let you out. So I'm trying to find a person here. I don't see anybody. Could probably get lost in here. So anyways, usually what we can do is do this Macau Pass. So I guess that's up there. So okay. So I see somebody there now. So, phew. Okay. So that's my Macau Pass. We get these little passes that we can pay stuff. So so now that's paid. And they got this little thing. That little last one is the card. They give you a paper card. Everything here is automated, but this is not. So they actually, anyways, now we're on our way up again. So now we're back where we started again. I got all my stuff. Now we're back here again. So now we're gonna walk back to where the car is at, which is over there. And that's where they have that system at. So I just said, hello, sir. So we're gonna head over that way. He said hello, sir. So okay, so we're gonna head over there. Okay, so we're coming out of there now, and that's where we're just at. I guess it didn't take too long to get up out of the spiral. That was my first time to go up there this morning, so I'd never. So now we're gonna try to get down this road and we'll just go over the bridge and we'll take the camera with us. And actually, that space that we were just at, that is a train line, and this is the first stop that goes into the Macau side, and it's going to be going under this bridge. And I guess I might as well keep the camera on. But yeah, that was part of BARRA, There's Macau Tower right there. People bungee jump off that. It's one of the biggest, tallest bungee jumps in Asia, I think. I'm sure somebody else has beat that record by now, but. So yeah, that train line is going to be is already built, and it's underneath here, and they're already testing it, but they will not take any passengers until the end of the year. So it's just still the testing phase, but it's all built. And now that spot we were just at, the buses will drop people off there already, and the trains will not yet, but that will be the first stop into Macau with a new train line. The train line came about 3 years ago, started over here. And maybe we'll just keep the camera on until we get to the train line. And there's 13 stations over here, and then later it'll all be circular. It'll go Taipa to Macau and back. But the Taipa part is fully built, but the Macau side would be a lot more work. There's a lot more history there. A lot of stuff they'll have to think about how to handle it. So anyways, the train line, I believe it's underneath us, but I don't know, like right here the bridge goes down a little bit. I guess it's still high enough that it's still underneath us. If you saw underneath this bridge, you'd see like kind of a big giant space for a train to go underneath. And straight ahead is going to be the station that is the last one in Taipa, or the first one in Taipa, that connects to the first or the last one in BARRA, on the Macau side. Keep the camera going until we get to there, and then we're going to end it. Rainy day here in Macau, going over the bridge. It's over there on the China side. Someday this will all be integrated. For us foreigners that live here, it creates a lot of uncertainty because we don't know where we stand when it happens. If they just, hopefully they just integrate us as well. Okay, and I think you'll start to see the station to the right at the end of the tunnel, and actually you can see kind of a little bit of the station right there where the train line is going to be coming in and out. So you should be able to see that, and then to the right there it is. So there you go, that's BARRA station exit. And we kind of showed you the elevator, and at the top of there, and then we got in the car and came all the way down to the station here. And now that's where the first train would be at, and then they'll go up over there now. So maybe we'll just follow that briefly, but as you can see, that'll deviate from us a little bit and go down that way. And that's a train line right there. But we're gonna keep on going down this way, so we'll end it right here. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.